Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, fully restored 1957 Ford Thunderbird. It's a D-Code 312. Loaded with options. Sitting on wire wheels. It's got a black porthole hardtop. Skirts. Power windows, power steering, power brakes. Town & Country AM radio, which works fantastic. Gorgeous paint, chrome and stainless. Fully finished trunk. Car runs and drives absolutely fantastic. Power windows, I mean, just as nice as it gets. This was owned by Amos. He's a famous Thunderbird aficionado. It's literally the nicest one I've ever seen. Starts right up, runs absolutely fantastic. Show you under the hood. Has all the proper markings under the hood. Engine dress-up kit. Just fantastic. Hood scoop. All the proper markings, like I said. Beautiful frame. Restored to original Black Raven. The carburetor has also been rebuilt. It's a beautiful car. The hardtop's also restored. Seatbelts. Got a tonneau cover for it as well.
Sound familiar? Those stomach issues may actually be a pancreas issue called exocrine pancreatic insufficiency, or EPO.
Town & Country push button radio. I mean, just fantastic. Well, guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. Check it out on Weeby Autos too. I took about 200 photos today. 631-339-0399. Thank you.